Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ níbi tí ọwọ́jà fídíò yìí bá dé. Mo kí yín ní tẹ̀sọ́, mo sì tún kí yín ní tológun. Ṣùgbọ́n tológun yìí ó dàbí pé òun ni ó wọ́ọ̀kì jù báyìí o. Because ikú tó ń pojú gbà ẹni, òwe ńlá ló ń pa fún ni. Ẹni iṣẹ́ àwò ọ̀rọ̀ báńdíìtì lọ́tún báńdíìtì lósì yìí ó ti kọjá nǹkan tí a lè máa fọwọ́ yẹpẹrẹ mú o. Because èmi ti wo sọ́tún, mo ti wo sósì, mo ti rí pé tápá ò bá ṣe sán èèyàn máa ń ká lórí ni. Because nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́tún tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lósì yìí òkè ọya la ti ń gbúrò rẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyìí òun ó ti kọjá pé ó ń kanlẹ̀kùn báyìí, ó ti ṣílẹ̀kùn mọ́ wa lórí ni. Because imagine àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ibi tó ń tiẹ̀ ti ń ṣe lókè ọya gan wọn ò bá débi pé kán káwọn ọmọ jèsín, ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyìí àwọn mẹ̀jẹ̀sín ni wọ́n kó. Imagine nǹkan táwọn people yẹn, àwọn ọmọ yẹn ń pass through ní ọwọ́ àwọn bandits báyìí, tó tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ wọ́n wá fi yé wa wípé àwọn ò bá eré wá o, àwọn kójà wá togun ni. I'm not happy about what is happening in the country at all. To tell ourselves a plain truth, because we cannot continue in these ways. Now, what are we going to do? We have been challenging the government of the state. We have been challenging the government of the federal. Nothing has been done since when these people have been in the captivity. What are we going to do? The prayers have been heard all over the country. The protests have been held all over the countries. But up to now, it's not yielding anything. But where are we going, Yoruba people? Where are we going? I want to tell us a plain truth about these things now, because we have heard a lot of the stories about how the originated Yoruba hills. Even if there's going to be a danger ahead, there is a signal that will signal to them. Then, no, there is evils ahead of them that is coming. Then before they know, even whenever the evil try to penetrate, they trapping down. I heard a lot of stories about all these things, but where are the powers now? Where are the powers that we are using then? All these things I'm trying to say, I'm not facing any government. I'm talking directly to we Yoruba peoples, that we need to stand and sit very well. Because what we are looking now is not a matter of jokes. Round people yẹn náà tí wọ́n wá, wọn ò bá wa ṣeré o, wọn ò ṣeré o, to the point of pé wọ́n gé orí èèyàn, wọ́n dẹ̀ fi sọwọ́ sí wọn pé àwọn ò bá yín ṣeré o. Now, how are we going to imagine the kind of the trauma, the kind of the pains those children are passing through? And they keep on sending videos on a daily basis. And they are not playing. But here are my questions. Where are the old powers? Where are the pastors in this country that they do miracles up and here? Is the prayer is no more answer anymore? Is the miracle is no more happening anymore? We need to buckle up, and whatever we are going to do to save these children. Because can you imagine the kind of the suffering these people are passing through? They will burn leather like this. Leather. One channel see nylon. One channel see nylon. Our ma tó lé àwọn ọmọ yẹn lára, a máa kan tó lé ẹwò. Téèyàn gan ò bá ṣeré láyé, tí ìyà yẹn gan kò lè ìyà ọ̀run apáàdì gan ò lè jù báyẹn lọ. Ẹni tí ò wá ṣẹ̀, ọmọ mẹ̀jẹ̀sín, tí ò ṣẹ̀, tí ò mọ́wọ́, tí ò mẹ́sẹ̀, náà ń jẹ́ ìyà àìmọ́wọ́ àìmọ́sẹ̀. I'm now calling on Yoruba peoples once again that we need to sit very well and go back to our forefathers. I don't want anybody to be making mouth. Come and do it. You don't want anybody to be making mouth. Come and do it. Let's see what we want to do. If you want to become tó bá fẹ́ pòórá lọ́bẹ̀ kó má wọn ọmọ yẹn wá, pòórá lọ́bẹ̀ kó ń kùn wọn síbẹ̀ kẹ́ má wọn ọmọ yẹn wá, pòórá lọ́bẹ̀ kẹ́ pa gbogbo wọn. We don't want anybody to be making mouth on the social media. We want that action. We want a straight action. We want action. We don't want a mouth. If you can become a hair, go through the hair and bring them back to us. Alive. But I can do this, I can do that, I can do this. Why are you now doing that thing deliberately for these children to be continuing suffering there when you know you are up to task to save these people? Here is the rainy season. Here is the rainy season. I've learned a story that when somebody went and steal a red oil in a farm, and the woman cried out. He said, "Ẹni tó jí epo mi kó gbépo sílẹ̀, ẹni tó jí epo kó gbépo sílẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ogún mi ni." But nobody is ready to return the food, the red oil. The woman went far and go and consult Sango. Rather, they will call the god of iron. He consults Sango and he sweat. He sweat. Seriously sweat. And he give ultimatums that within 7 days, if the perpetrator, the evils, the thief has not returned his sweat, that this is the consequence. This is the consequence. And before you know, a silent 7 days, a big rain was falling. And before you know, it teared the people's infos apart. Then whether you go to the far, you go near, when they construct all this power, then no matter where you are, once you commit evil, you plant evils, and it's against the will of the land, it will definitely locate you. Whatever they cause that time, whether Sango, whether Ogun, whatever they cause that time, it will definitely locate you. So far, your hands is not clean. But where are the powers today? Where are the powers today? We want you people to come out. Onisongo, Oloya, Olobatala, you people come out and rescue those children in the captivities. Save our land. If that is the only way. Save our land. To save our land. So that these people will know that we are not an empty barrel. Sheribe Mishewayi, Emi o condemn any religion. What we need now is the way forward. How we can rescue these children and the teachers. Afa Ajoko lórí awọ, because we believe in your religions too. Pray for the sake of these peoples. Pastor, where are the miracles? Pray for the sake of these peoples. Babalawo, this is what they know Yoruba for right from the onset. Then they have been using, and is protecting them from the evils. Babalawo, ẹ pé awo yín for the sake of these peoples. Oníṣàngó, ẹ bẹ̀ Ṣàngó lọ́wẹ̀. This is not a sin anymore. All what he needs is the sake of these children and the teachers. Ẹ bẹ̀ Ṣàngó lọ́wẹ̀. Because we know that you believe in the God of the Ṣàngó too. Ebe Sango lọ́wọ́ for the sake of these people. Ológun, Ògún, Ẹ̀bògún lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Even Ọbàtálá. These are the things that the Yorubas then are using, and we have never had it pé àwọn ogun àtòkè wá borí wọn. They can only fight within themselves because they have their secrets at hand. But we have never had it. Pé ogun Fúlàní kan ó wá borí ogun Ọ̀yọ́. Now it's happening. It's happening in our eyes now. It's happening in our eyes now. All our prayer, all our point, all our cry, all our energies, calling on Yoruba peoples. This is our land. We won't want any aliens to come and be treating us like a slave. We heard that they are demanding for money. For what? For what? For God's sake. Demanding for what? To buy another ammunition? God forbid. You heard they are imposing one law. Are you the one that will telling us how we are going to rule our states? Thunder fire them, wherever they are hidden. I don't even want government hand in this thing anymore. I want Yoruba peoples. Agboko man dofe. Ẹ̀dọ̀fẹ́ lọ́bẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ fọ́nrún kun wọn. A gbọ́ pé wọ́n ń gbé gbálẹ̀ sẹ́nu ọ̀nà ńgbà kan pé àwọn èèyàn kan tiẹ̀ ní dúró síbi tán kó nǹkan sí. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ jí jalè tó bá ti sáìtì gbálẹ̀ yẹn wàá máa gbálẹ̀ lọ ni. Ẹ fa àwọn nǹkan yẹn lọ wọn. Or if anybody now òun lóògùn kan báyìí ní sí òun lóògùn kan báyìí ní sí and all this thing is happening, you cannot do anything. I don't believe any of you anymore. But if you want us to praise you, I beg, show up, assist us, and save these children. Ìyà ìmọ̀wọ́ àìmọ̀ṣẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń jẹ. Ìyà ìmọ̀wọ́ àìmọ̀ṣẹ̀ òun ni àwọn ọmọ yẹn ń jẹ mẹ́rin. Àwọn méje sí. What do they know? What do they know? Ẹjọ́, Oníṣàngó, Ológun, Ọlọ́ya, Ọlọ́bàtálá, whatever. Ẹ dìde. These are the pride of the Yoruba then. And we have not condemning you. We still believe in you. We want you to come out and show us your powers. Pastor, come out. Imam, come out. Then you can only show. The result is we want these people to be free. Nigeria is bleeding presently. God comes to our aid. God bless us.